Well, go on, my family. Happy that you're here with me today. So guess what? Today we're making a salad. It's an anti-inflammatory omega-3 salad with a homemade vinaigrette. Simple stuff. So let me show you how I do it. Already prepped some black olives, red onion, and red bell peppers, and I'm lining them up in this plate. Then I chop some lettuce, and I'm going to just put it one corner of the plate. And we're going in with some cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, probably you could substitute it for parsley. For a little something, I'm gonna add 3 boiled eggs to this salad. Eggs really amplify flavors of food, and I think it goes perfect with this salad. Guys, I'm cutting this avocado. In Jamaica we call it pear, but the best way to cut your avocado is on a cutting board. I am not cutting myself. I've done this a million times, so I know how hard to push that knife down on my hand. And this is the salmon that I'm gonna use. It is salmon in brine, and I wasn't gonna let this brine sauce go to waste. I'm gonna use it to make my vinaigrette with some additional ingredients, of course. I went back to Walmart to look for this salmon and I couldn't find it. I did enjoy it, guys, but I'm gonna go back and look if I find it. Guys, I just want to pause to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for returning subscribers and followers and well-wishers, family and friends. One love, big up, enough respect. I appreciate your support. And if you're new here, being Unscripted just for the first time, please subscribe before you go. Zine? All right, let's jump back into the thing. Now I'm going in with some pumpkin seed, yeah man, and some pepper flakes. Guys, I never knew how easy it was to make vinaigrette or dressing for salads until I start doing it. 1, 2, 3, so easy. What I'm doing here is equal part vinegar, equal part olive oil, and we're putting it in the container where I add the brine. I'm going in with some Dijon mustard, some black pepper, lime juice, balance out the thing. When I don't get any seed in there. And from here we're just gonna shake the devil off. I declare that you shake the devil off today in the name of Jesus. And guys, we dress up the salad with vinaigrette. It was absolutely delicious. That brine from the salmon really it was more than I expected. It came through so good, and I'm adding a little bit of Parmesan cheese to just elevate the flavor. And we need lime wedges because you know we are dealing with fish. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you again. What good? Peace.